Hello and welcome with Gardner Intelligence. I'm Michael Guckes, Chief Economist and Director of Analytics. In this short video, I will be highlighting the major business trends which are impacting manufacturing. If you'd like to hear more about the trends that specifically apply to your business by size, geography, or end market served, please contact me by visiting gardnerintelligence.com. The June GBI reading was the second highest in recorded history. Importantly, June's high reading was made possible because of activity gains in all measures of business activity except for supplier deliveries. As we have reported elsewhere, Gardner's data has issued elevated supplier delivery readings since mid-2020 because of challenging supply chain conditions. June's data signaled quickening activity in both new orders and production. However, in each of the last 5 months, new orders activity ratings have exceeded those of production. The result has been a very sharp increase in backlog activity. In fact, backlog activity has accelerated so quickly this year that it set 4 consecutive record high readings in just the first half. Order strength during much of 2021 has come from a combination of both export and domestic orders. While the U.S. economy continues to rebound from its COVID lows, the recovery remains uneven. June saw the greatest expansion in business activity occur in the petrochemical and electronics industries. Slower growth was reported in the medical manufacturing space, while aerospace manufacturing continues to struggle. June's material price data reported another month in which nearly all respondents reported rising material prices. A smaller percentage of those surveyed reported that they had been able to push price increases through to their customers. When examined by size, however, the proportion of firms smaller than 20 employees able to, or willing to pass price increases along to their customers remained well behind that of their larger peers with 100 or more employees. Despite all the challenges in the current manufacturing space, business sentiment remains healthy, with a majority of manufacturing leaders reporting an optimistic outlook over the next 12 months. Based on our analysis, we recommend the following actionable insights. First, supply chain management needs to remain a critical component of your cost control and production efforts. There are many reasons why we could see supply chains struggle throughout the rest of the calendar year, if not longer. 2 of those would be simply a continual spreading of the COVID Delta variant, and then secondly, people remaining out of the labor force over renewed health concerns. Both of these are very significant concerns, and if they aren't resolved in the near term, they could create significant problems in 2022 and beyond. And then secondly, just continue to negotiate with your customers and set expectations. Things need to remain flexible in your contracting and in your working with your customers and your suppliers. Realize too that your negotiating power is still strengthening on the production side. The strong demand picture we're seeing and historically high backlogs data suggest that there's a lot of pricing power on the side of manufacturers. The demand strength we're seeing is not just from domestic orders, but also from foreign orders. And thank you for the privilege of your time. If you have questions about what you have seen here or want to learn more about the business trends that are specifically affecting your firm, please visit our website at gardnerintelligence.com and click on the contact button in the ribbon. To those of you who take the time to complete the GBI survey, we offer you our sincere thanks. Only through your participation are we able to assess the current and future state of the industry. We hope that you will continue to support this work by filling out those surveys. Thank you.